All right, welcome back. Welcome back. So, I just want to share something with us. Few weeks ago, I think it should be 2 or 3 weeks now. Is it up to 3 weeks? I can't remember. But Nkere decided to appear on this man's Gunther, on his program. He, he went into great interview. Oh, gosh. Don't please bear with me, okay? He went there to a great interview, although we should. This life. He went there to a great interview. We shared that here. We talked about it. And we saw what happened there, how he disgraced himself before this white man got her. And we all know that the man is not, he's, in fact, I don't want to use the word, we know that the man is not stupid, all right? And we actually understand that, unless if you're lying to yourself. Because every sensible human being that watched that video, we understand that the man himself, we ask some pertinent question. And you don't expect him to ask that to Nkere. Question like, because the man said, tell us, speak to the European audience about this Biafra. He was just messing up. The man answered that his question by himself. And that, if you watch our analysis here, we talked about it in detail. I don't want to go back. But I just want you to understand that thing that we predicted, that man will be like, who is this guy? Because I believe that Elias is one that linked him up to Nkere. But now, he has found out, after asking some questions, after having contact with Nkere, did you see him again? Is there any subsequent engagement or sharing videos of Nkere anymore? Or Nkere sharing his video? Something happened. And that's what I can make up now, because the celebration of USB government yesterday, the man did not hesitate to throw his support with Biafrans, of course, in Austria. Do you understand? And that video had been trending. It has been trending, like we all know that it's supposed to trend, to be honest. Please make sure you like the video and let me know what you think about what we're discussing. I am not going to waste much time. I just want you to see things for yourself so that you understand. Here is Gunther, his platform, and what he said. I'm going to start by, making sure that I add, let me expand it a little bit. So this is him. This is here, X. Gunther Flinger Jan. I hope I pronounce it well. This is not an English word, but that is his name. As we can see it here, all right, that's his name. So let me take my video a little bit off so that it will make more sense for you to watch. Now, like I told you, this is his name. This is his X handle. And here he said, a loud and clear message from Vienna to free world, free Biafra now. Vienna is capital city of Austria. So that is where he resides. And Biafrans in Vienna, of course, joined him in celebration of United States of Biafra independence yesterday. That is the video that we are talking about. Watch out. Sorry, let me add the volume. Let's start from the beginning.
Freedom of Biafra. All of us. Just 1 minute, guys. Oh, very good. Perfect. Freedom for Biafra. Freedom for Biafra. Yes. Freedom for Nigeria. There's Nigeria. Freedom for Biafra. Freedom for Biafra. Freedom for the United States of Biafra. Yes. Biafra has come. Biafra is here, and no man born of a woman can stop us. Never. We are unmovable. We are unshakable. We are the great people of true children of God Almighty. God Almighty has raised men and women, lions and lionesses, fearless men and women, those who are ready to sacrifice them, to make sure that this freedom and the emancipation of Africa is here. God bless Biafra, God bless Biafra, God bless Austria, God bless all the freedom of this world, God bless all the lovers of freedom. All hail Biafra. All hail Biafra.
From Austria, we are calling for freedom from Biafra.
You know, one thing I love about white people is that you don't pray. You cannot just play them. You can't play them. You can't play on their intelligence. You can't. You know, for those of you who don't know what happened, like I said, this very man here, this white man, Gunther, you know, interviewed Nkere because they introduced Nkere to him, and he has no other choice because he's a lover of freedom. You know, somebody who have, you know, genuine conscience. You can't hide it. You can't take it away from him. And long may he continue. Long may he continue. I told us that somebody should talk to him. And COS actually made a post reminding him and other people, those who have good conscience, but maybe they are being misled by some, you know, gangsters, to reset their decision, to adjust from that decision and follow the truth and follow the way, because that's the only way to see yourself as a supporter, as a lover of freedom. Unlike Elias is also a white person, but look at what he's doing. He refused simply because he's protecting his own interests. And this man who is not being paid did not allow himself to be used by Elias, and he understands what they're doing now, because now he can now relate. Remember, in that interview, Nkere made it clear to him that Biafra was declared on 2nd of December. But the man is here celebrating 29th of November. What does that tell you? He has finally found the truth. He has finally found the truth, and there's no going back about it. It did not end here. There's another video that I would like to share with you before we end. I just want to remind you that, just for you, because those of you that watched our analysis, you may not be aware that he has made a U-turn to understand, you know, what Biafran actually stands for. Today, Biafran in Austria and him, they are now no longer deceiving through Elias. He's now hearing it from the horse's mouth, and I believe other people that love freedom will follow suit. That's what you need to do. You don't need to go behind and start talking what you are not sure of. Watch.
1 year anniversary of the United States of Biafra Declaration, which was declared in Finland, Latin, on 29th of November 2024. We have over 50 millions of Biafra who has voted. They want freedom. They want a better life. Over 1,500 Biafrans attended this in Finland, Latin. I also want to thank all the lovers of freedoms, those who are standing by the truth. I also want to thank our leader, Mazen Nandekatu, Ohamadike Ndibo. I thank you because you are standing by the truth and for the truth. I also want to thank our PM, the Prime Minister of the United States of Biafra government, Prime Minister Simon Eba, who was jailed in Lahti, Finland. And I am using this opportunity to call up upon the EU, the European Union, to look into Nigeria and Biafra. The killings is too much. The killings is too much. We are not happy anymore. The reason why is because Nigeria has never been a country. Nigeria is not a country. Nigeria is a British company, which is called Royal Niger Company, which has already expired. The most richest country in the world, still a country that values money than human life. Still, my people are dying. Nigeria is a terrorist country, a country that is killing its own citizens. I want to use this opportunity to tell the world, and I also want to appreciate Donald Trump, because the world have realized that Nigeria sponsors terrorism. the killings of Christians, the killings of the indigenes of Nigeria and the Biafras. So I'm using this opportunity to appreciate all the lovers of freedom. I'm using this opportunity to call upon Nigerian government, because what Nigeria has is not a government. I want to tell Nigerian government that there are two different things between government and government. In Austria, where my children are having a better life, a better future, they have a government. Nigeria has no government. Why do I say this? Because what is the responsibilities of a government? The responsibilities of a government is to make sure your citizens are very much okay. A government that is killing his own citizens, a government that kept his own citizens into abject poverty. A lot of pregnant women are dying in Nigeria because they don't have money to go to hospital. The most richest country in the world, still no light, no hospital, no road, nothing. Can never be a government, rather it is called a government. I am using this opportunity to tell the EU, the European Union, the NATO, they should sanction Nigeria for the killings of Christians. The emancipation of Africa will come this time. The world, I want Nigeria to realize that those who they have killed are back to life, and we are part of it. Thank you, everyone. Thank you once again. Thank you, Mr. Honorable Gunther.
Freedom for Biafra.
Thank you.
The genocide against Christians must end, and the European Union must sanction Nigeria very hard, break the trade relations, end any money transfer to Nigeria, and make sure that Nigeria feels the pain and they have completed genocide against the Christians of Biafra. This is utterly unacceptable, and the EU must act. It must also impose a trade ban and stop the free trade agreement, cancel all the financial transfers, which are it's about 70 million euros, which Nigeria gets from the European Union. And of course, we are one of the biggest trade partners, and this must end now, because they are committing genocide against the Christians of Biafra. And the best way forward is, as we have seen it in the case of Yugoslavia, you can compare Nigeria and Yugoslavia very much. It's the independence of new states, and Biafra must be the first state which breaks away from Nigeria and will be an independent republic of Biafra, similar like Croatia, like Slovenia, and that's a very good plan for now. And here at the first Independence Day celebration, because the government in exile has already celebrated and declared independence in Finland in 2024, it's a very good moment to go for the liberation of the independence leader of Biafra, Mr. Masi. He should be free. I've created the hashtag Free Masi. He must be free, and the EU must ask that from the Nigerian government, and obviously as well all the people who are fighting for Biafra freedom. They may under no circumstances be extradited towards Nigeria, where they face certain prosecution in an unlawful state. And so all these proceedings have to be stopped immediately, and I call for freedom for Biafra. Thanks, Alex.
Freedom for Biafra. Thank you.
So you can see the difference from what Nkere said then and what this our brother who happened to, I think that it should be going in Austria or something like that. You know, I don't want to go there. I don't want to start talking about the going this is going that, but he has spoken well. What he said is spam. Okay, what he said is spam. Compare it with the so-called acting prime. You know, please, my people, let me just help me share this so that those who watch that will also connect the dots. All right, and credit to the man. Thank you so much. And I hope and I pray that the connection between this Mr. Gunther and COS USB government, this should be the beginning. Yes, because Nkere always in a haste to go to places and always in a haste to bounce back. Thank you, my boy. Make sure you like the video. Share it to many platforms of your choice. God bless you. I don't know why I'm laughing. I honestly don't know why I'm laughing about it. Because is it because of what Nkere said? But let me end it here. God bless you. Take care of yourself. Bye-bye for now.